Stormy Night by Selena Yop. I wonder if we're going to hear about all the weather that happens during a storm. What do you think? Let's see. One stormy night, Bear couldn't sleep. The wind was roaring. The trees were crackling, and the rain was pounding against the windows. Woo! Rain! Rain! Yes, good. Okay, thank you. That's a lot of rain, isn't it? Oh, don't worry, said Bear. I'll hold you tight. I'll keep you warm. My love will keep you from the storm. Bear felt better. But when a thundering sound rumbled through the forest, it startled Bear. What does thunder sound like? That's right. He sang his song again. Mama came in to check on Bear. May I stay with you tonight? I am so frightened by the storm. Bear was glad to see Mama. Would you be glad? He kissed Mama's nose. And Mama smiled. Bear felt better. Then Papa came in to check on Bear. Is there room for me? The storm is so loud tonight. Bear was glad to see Papa. He tickled Papa's ear to comfort him. Papa laughed and Bear felt better. But what will make Floppy feel better? I know! A book! This is a very good book. Bear almost forgot about the storm until... Boom! A loud crashing sound of thunder roared through the forest. Bear shut his eyes tight. Mama kissed his nose. And Papa tickled his ear. Mama sang to Bear just like she did when he was a little cub. We'll hold you tight. We'll keep you warm. Our love will keep you safe from the storm. Bear felt better. Bear yawned a sleepy yawn. Oh. And then it was quiet. What happened to the storm?
It disappeared.
That's right. Papa said even storms need their sleep. And so do bears. Good night. The end. What was your favorite part of the book?
The whole boat.
Oh, you loved everything. That's great. Thank you, Bennett, for reading the book with me.